Hey guys, thanks for joining me. And this is the Orzly RXH20 gaming headset, our stereo headset for all your gaming needs. First, let's go over the basics. The frame feels sturdy and has a robust build, but there's still enough stretch and flex to fit most head shapes. Plus, there's the aluminium extensions if you need them. The clamping force is just right, and together with the soft, supple foam ear cups, helps create a nice seal around your ears that sits well if you wear glasses too. The casing has a matte finish with high gloss accents. These help the LEDs pop just that little bit more. The cable is a 2.2 meter braided anti-tangle cable, so you don't have to worry about it being too short for your setup. The inline controller has all the headset functions like volume controls, mic on and off switch, and LED controls in an intuitive and convenient location that's easy to access. For connectors, each headset has a 3.5mm audio jack that you can plug into a controller or your phone, and USB for lights. Also included in the box is a splitter cable for your PC or sound card. This means that your headset will be compatible with a range of devices from PCs to laptops, Switch Lite, current and next-gen gaming consoles, and with game streaming services like Stadia, xCloud, and Luna. For the speakers, we've used 50mm drivers to create a rich soundscape that helps bring your games to life. Drivers are tuned to deliver deep bass that makes explosions sound amazing but still have the clarity to hear individual raindrops in a thunderstorm. You can see the rest of the specs here. The mic is adjustable, so you can find the best angle. It has a 120-degree rotation, so you can flip it out of the way when you don't need it. Here's how it sounds unedited. The noise cancelling technology reduces unwanted ambient and background noises to ensure that your voice is heard clearly in the game. If you want to mute the mic, simply flick the switch on your controller. The headset comes in 5 fantastic colorways, so there should be one to match your setup. We've got Abyss, Siberia, Sagano, Nakuru, and Vesuvius. Let me know in the comments below what color you'd get. So, are you looking for a sleek looking, well-built, great sounding headset with noise cancelling microphone that will deliver crystal clear callouts to your teammates? What more could you want? Available now? Thanks for watching.